In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Confluence page ID. This is a handy skill for those who regularly work with Confluence and need to seamlessly access specific page details. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide. To begin with, navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your starting point where all your spaces and pages reside. Once you're there, look around to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. From here, you'll be selecting the workspace that contains the page you're interested in. Workspaces are essentially where related content is grouped together, helping you stay organized. Now, go ahead and click on the specific workspace you want to explore. Once inside the workspace, it will display the various pages and content created within it. Here, you'll want to locate the exact page for which you wish to find the ID. Once you've found this page, click to open it. Opening the page will bring up the full content view along with any relevant options or editing capabilities you might need to access. With the page open, you'll need to access additional options. Look for the More Actions button, usually represented by 3 dots, at the top or side of your screen. Clicking on this will bring down a menu of additional options, offering more in-depth operations you can perform on the page. From this menu, find and click on Advanced Details. Selecting this option provides deeper insights into your page and unlocks more detailed information and configurations, including what we're looking for, the page ID. Once you're in the Advanced Details section, continue by clicking on Content Information. This is where you can view specifics about the content, such as who created it, when it was last updated, and other metadata that might be useful for content management or auditing purposes. Now, here's the crucial part. Observe the URL displayed at the top of your browser window. This URL holds the key information you've been searching for. Toward the end of this URL, there will be an equals sign. Immediately following this equals sign is the page ID. It's often a series of numbers that distinctly identifies this page within the larger Confluence system. Make sure you copy this ID down accurately if you need to use it elsewhere. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've now successfully located the Confluence page ID. This process not only enhances your navigation skills within Confluence, but also allows you to efficiently reference or manage specific pages when needed. Don't forget to practice this a few times to become confident in identifying page IDs quickly. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day using Confluence.